Hi guys, today we make rice noodles at home. Make the dough, add potato starch, rice flour, and vegetable cooking oil. Then stir in hot boiling water. The water must be boiling hot to finish the gelatinization. Grasp everything together to form a ball. I recommend wearing plastic gloves to solve the sticky problem. Then, after 5 to 8 minutes of kneading, the dough will be abundant and stretchable. I failed at least 3 times before reaching a success. The failure is mainly caused by the ratio of potato starch and the temperature of the water. I explained this in detail on the blog. If you want to know the theory and the story behind, click on the link on the top right. Shape the dough into a long log and assemble in the noodle presser. Bring a large pot of water to a boiling and then press the noodles in. Try to avoid any stop during this process. Once the water starts to boil again, transfer the noodles out and soak in cold water. See, no broken pieces with wonderful texture. In addition, the dough can be made only with potato starch, showing in the smaller bowl. They are slightly transparent. Now we make a very simple rice noodle soup. Add side ingredients, whatever you want. I use pan-fried tofu, fresh mushrooms, and scallion sections. Load with chicken stock. Season with salt and simmer for 10 minutes after boiling. Then place the rice noodles in and continue cooking for half a minute. The reason why I developed this recipe is because my daughter is a rice noodle lover, but store-bought rice noodles are too strong to digest, so I decided to make it at home. Finally, we top with chopped coriander and fried peanuts. The noodle made with this instruction is not the same as the store-bought version, but it has a very similar texture and taste. More importantly, homemade version is much healthier and easy to make whenever needed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.